Hello, one, two. Greetings to all my followers. I greet each and everyone. We are going to do one quick video. There's some technology underscore basic. Like my video, share with friends, and click on the notification bell. There is one question that asks, how can I record my screen during meeting? Okay, he told me some software are requesting for answers, but we have one quick screen recorder that you can have access to within your system. That is called Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have Microsoft Office, it's a set Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and many more. Access. We are looking for PowerPoint. This is publisher. This is PowerPoint. I'm using 2000 system at the moment. I don't know the one you are using. So if you click on PowerPoint, PowerPoint is loading. Can you see PowerPoint loading? So it's open. Yeah. So this is our PowerPoint, ready to type any presentation. Just come to insert. Insert. Click on insert. Go to the last corner. Go to the last corner. What do you find here? Screen recorder. What do you find here? Screenshot. You can screenshot a picture. So I'm here to really teach about how to record your screen. So let's say in case some meeting is going on, just quickly open your presentation, which is PowerPoint. Click on it. It's asking you, just choose all the screen. So I start recording my screen. Here is it. Just click on record. 1, 2, 3, 1. Then my screen starts recording. I'm recording at the moment. So let's say a meeting is going on, school exam, online studies. At the moment, you are recording your screen. So let me pause and see. Okay, let's say I'm trying to do something. So in case you want to stop, you can send the cursor up. You can pause. You can continue recording. So it's just simple as ABC. So let me try recording playing some video that can show. Okay, I'm playing. So in so doing, we are still recording our screen for test purpose only. So you see, you can stop. Let me stop. Okay, I stop playing. So this is how it save it. You see, it save it like presentation. So you can play it here. I'm playing my recording. My screen so it's playing. You can see it down here playing. So let's say a meeting is going on, school exam, online studies. So at the moment, that is you are recording your screen. So let me pause. It's really playing. See, okay, let's say I'm trying to do something. So you can see how our stopping even is showing down here. Oh my goodness. So okay, somebody asked, how should I save it? You can save it as presentation, you can send or anything. Okay, let's see. Continue. Let me pause the video. Just go to file, save as. Where do you want to save it? Let me browse where I want to save it. Okay, let me just put it on desktop. Presentation dash test. Okay, so we save it on our desktop. So let's minimize this. Let's go to our desktop. So this is the presentation we save, right? So let's go back. In case you don't want to use this presentation or the screen recording in PowerPoint, just go back to file, export. You see, create a video. So there's one. You name it again. So we are keeping it on desktop. So let's save it. In so doing, you can use different player to play it. Here it is. See how it look like. You can record your screen using PowerPoint. PowerPoint is part of Microsoft Office. Simple as ABCD. Okay, so We have other softwares too. Maybe another time we'll look at other software we can use to record our screen during some presentation or video calls. So like my page, share and subscribe to the page. Thank you. Bye bye for now. Take care.